Hi everyone and welcome to Classic Cars Cheap. In today's video, we're going to take a look at two classic cars that are available on the market for next to nothing. Stick around for some fantastic deals. Number 1. The 1932 Ford 3W Window Coupe, priced at $22,500. This 32 Ford is a freshly built kit car, with about 1,200 miles on the clock. The seller notes that over $35,000 has been spent on parts alone. Labor is not included. Power comes from a 350 engine mated to a 350 turbo automatic transmission. The exterior is light green. The interior is upholstered in gray cloth. According to the seller, the car is being sold to make room for another project. No trades accepted. Complete paperwork. Location: Eugene, Oregon. Number 2. The 1931 Ford Model A Tutor, priced at $26,500. This 31 Tutor sedan is equipped with a 383-stroker engine with tunnel ram and two 450 CFM carburetors. Power is delivered through a TCI TH350 Street Fighter 3-speed automatic transmission. The seller says the car has a variety of performance upgrades, including front disc brakes, an Art Morrison 4-link rear suspension, and QA1 coilovers in the rear. The front suspension is a spring-over design. Additional components: a Mallory fuel pump and a Borla exhaust system. The interior features a Bluetooth stereo. The interior is in good overall condition. The car runs very well, according to the seller. Price: $26,500 or best offer. Location: Dare, California. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on the notifications.